Hello and welcome back to another CodeIgniter video. In this video, we are going to make it so we can send a mail out to everybody in the users table. As you can see, I put in 3 email addresses here. So we want it so every email address in this table is going to get an email. First things first, let's create a new controller. We're going to call this emails. So we're just going to have one function here. We're going to call it email. And I'm going to put in static information into this. You'd want to create a text field or something for subject and the body of the email. So I want to load the user model, and we want to grab all the emails. So I'm going to say this user get emails. We're going to create this function after. As you're probably guessing, we're going to use another library. And CodeIgniter has an email library. Let's go ahead and load this library. Then we want to do a for each. For every email in the email table, we're going to send them an email. So I'm going to put if email, because maybe we have records that don't have an email address. Maybe we added one in the database ourselves. We don't want it to try and send blank emails. So this is straightforward. We say from, we put the email address, and we can even have a name. Then we have to. That's just going to be our email row. And then we're just going to do subject. Next we do message. I'm just going to put your email message goes here. And I'm going to bold something. We'll see if this works. Then we want to send the email, and then we want to clear this. We need to clear this every time so that it can send multiple emails. Let's go to our user model. We'll create our function called getEmails. Do our selector. I just want to grab email. I don't care about the order. And then we're going to return it. Very simple. You can see our test email. The only thing is, it didn't bold our text. And that's because we didn't tell it to email an HTML message. All we have to do is add some configuration. So we say config mail type equals HTML. And then we want to initialize it. Now let's try that again. Now it bolded our text. As you saw, it's very easy to send emails out. It can be a pain in the butt when you do it in regular PHP. You have to make sure you have all the headers set up and everything, and it's just a pain. I highly recommend you check out the CodeIgniter user guide because it shows you more things. You can upload files, attach them and send them, and it's very easy. In the next video, we're going to create the comments model, view, and controller, and we're going to go through that pretty quickly because we're just mainly going to focus on creating a CAPTCHA. This is going to be great so there's less of a chance that you'll get spam.